So this pound dollar analysis for Wednesday the 18th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've tested the 3281, failed at 3281, posted spin bar, broke down, had a brief rally toward after finding support after the 3220. Had a brief rally which failed in around the 3260s, 3270s, didn't quite get towards 3280. Seeing a subsequent breakdown beneath 3220. Also breaking down beyond 3193, came all the way down towards the 3147, brief bullish bounce at the 3147, as indicated by the wicks. The sell side momentum still remained above, even though the markets traveled upwards. The bears were able to see these pin bars posted as sell side momentum came back into the markets, and we have seen the follow through to the downside, breaking beneath the 3147, and we did have an impulsive move, breaking beyond 3193 briefly before closing above it, but we have seen that sell side momentum continue for another test of that 3093. So at present we are in around 3093, which we do appear to be breaking away from. So if we're not able to break back above and hold the 3093, we're looking for a move down towards our 3037, successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards this 130. And if volatility allows, possibly even a move down towards this 129.83 here on the pound against the dollar. If, however, we can break back above the 30.93 and hold on to 30.93, looking for a move back up towards our 31.47, successful break from which we're then looking for a move up towards our 31.93. And beyond 31.93, possibly another key level, we'll be looking at 32.20. Now, we do have to be aware of the 400 period moving average is sitting slightly above 31.93. And the 200 period moving average sitting slightly above the 32.20. Depending on how long the markets do take to get up there, we could have the 400 period moving average in around at 31.93 and the 200 period moving average in around 32.20. Thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from those levels, as both the 200 and 400 period moving averages act as a dynamic level of support and a confluence along with these horizontal levels previously identified. Also, we could, if we do see a bullish bounce from 30.37, again, we're looking for a move towards our 30.93. Now, let's just have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So here on this daily chart, we get scale on you correct. Let's make sure we get back on our charts. There we go. So we get our scale on here correct. And what we did see was a brief bullish bounce. We failed in around 32.81. We've had a very strong bearish day yesterday. Open to close, pretty notable in the size of the range. We do have a fairly sizable wick here to the downside, but that was pretty much off that impulsive candle. So we have a pretty large bearish candle, suggesting that the sell side momentum has realigned with the overall trend previous after seeing these pullback and consolidation, and we are seeing that follow through so far today on the pound against the dollar. Notable, of course, is the 30.37, pretty close towards that 30.37. Our previous lows were posted. Our previous lows being, let's just get this correct, 30.49. Our previous lows being around 30.49, slightly above the 30.37. But again, we were looking to see our prices reacting around that level before possibly looking for a move down towards our psychological 130 here on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.